Hi everyone, my name is Josh and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite blockchain project, which is called Injective. Before starting this video, a small disclosure. In this video, I don't give any financial advices. This video is all about education and entertainment purpose only. So let's go. So the recent news about centralized exchanges like FTX proved that we can trust them. And that's exactly the main vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. He told that we should not trust and delegate our finance to a third party. A centralized exchange is like a bank. They can misuse and do whatever they want with our money. So that's why Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the Bitcoin blockchain. It's a completely decentralized blockchain to have a decentralized currency. That means the community owns the blockchain network and they maintain it. And they don't need the help of a third party to own their money. With the same vision, Injective Labs have created a completely decentralized blockchain to create decentralized financial applications. That means anyone can create exchanges like Uniswap or Binance, but this time it will be completely decentralized and without a CZ or SBF. So enough with the introduction and let's see what exactly Injective is all about. Injective is the first layer 1 blockchain which is tuned for finance. It is tuned for finance because it offers certain amount of technical functionalities that the developers don't need to recreate them. This will help the developers to create applications very quickly and very efficiently. So indeed, Injective is tuned for finance because it's the first blockchain to implement an on-chain order book. For new projects, it's a game changer advantage. They don't need to recreate an implementation of an order book. By the way, Injective is extremely cheap and fast. That's important for a financial blockchain because buy and sell orders must be executed as fast as possible. Injective is lightning fast. It produces one block every second and it processes up to 25,000 transactions per second. As we told before, the transaction cost on Injective is really cheap. It's cheaper than Ripple and Phantom. Next, Injective is completely decentralized. Nowadays, most of the blockchains are decentralized only in the white paper. But that's not the case with Injective. We can't do any modification to the blockchain without the approval of the community. Then, we can use smart contracts. It's pretty common, but it has the specificity to be auto-executed. Most of the existing DEX like Uniswap works with the AMM model and liquidity pool. With smart contracts on Injective, it's possible to create AMM models. Then, Injective Labs published a collection of modules in their SDK. It's for the developers. It's available in Golang, Rust, and Python. We got modules like Exchange, Oracle, Insurance, etc. For example, if you want to create an exchange, you can use the Exchange module to interact with the order book. And you can use the Oracle module to get the price of a coin. By the way, you can create your own module and publish to the community. Actually, the SDK contains a lot of examples for each module. This example will help the developers to understand and use it as quick as possible. So with all these elements, we can build fast, secure, and reliable financial applications on top of Injective. This is the main goal of this blockchain. Building a DEX on top of a blockchain which is not connected to any other blockchain is pretty useless because we can only trade the native coin and the tokens which are created on this blockchain only. To trade other coins, Injective must be connected to the other blockchains. Initially, Injective is natively connected to Ethereum via a custom bridge which is made by Injective Labs. Then, Injective is connected to the Cosmos ecosystem via IBC. So we can trade a lot of coins like Juno or Osmosis. Recently, Injective is connected to the Wormhole bridge. So we can now trade a lot of coins like Solana, Avalanche, BNB tokens, etc. Here, you can see a list of coins which are available through this bridge. Well, we saw that the main purpose of Injective is to build financial dApps. So let's explore the ecosystem and find out what are the different applications that are available today. As you can see in this picture, the Injective ecosystem is really wide and it's getting bigger day by day. On the right of this image, we can see two categories which are very interesting. Injective is backed by a large group of institutions like Pantera Capital, Gem Crypto, and especially Binance Custody. Then we got a list of dApps which are created on Injective. In this presentation, I will present a few of them. First of all, Injective Hub. Injective Hub is the main entry point to the Injective world. As you can see, with Injective Hub, you can stake your Injectives, you can access to the governance page, then there is a list of dApps. It's a kind of trusted applications which are given by Injective Labs. I recommend everyone to connect to the Injective Hub first and then open your favorite applications through this list. In this way, it will be more secure. Then, the second application that I want to present is called Helix. Helix is a trading platform like Binance. It is completely open source and we can find the code in GitHub. This will help everyone to inspire and create their own exchange. And that's exactly what ING Dojo have done. ING Dojo is a community-based exchange. They introduced trading competitions and even poker competitions. Then we got Frontrunner. Frontrunner is a sports betting application. For now, it's in a testing stage, and during the World Cup, it was used a lot by the community. Then, an application called Project X is teased by Injective Labs. For now, we just know that it's a one-click launchpad and a way to provide liquidity to the automated market making on Injective. Recently, Astroport, a former Terra Luna DEX, moved to Injective. Astroport is a powerful DEX with a very clean UX. This is promising because it will bring the AMM model to Injective and it will bring a lot of liquidity. And finally, just to show that there is a lot of possibilities, I myself created a bot to trade automatically on Injective. A few words about governance. Injective has a utility coin called ING. With ING, anyone can make a proposal to make modification to the blockchain, publish the smart contracts of the application, and even to list a coin. I can see a lot of people who ask Binance or Bybit, all the centralized exchanges, to list their coin. And I think it's more natural to list a decentralized coin on a decentralized platform like Injective. So to list a coin, you need at least one ING to make a proposal on Injective. To pass the voting stage, we need at least 100 ING. The remaining 99 ING, you can deposit yourself or you can ask to the community. Once the voting is over, your coin can be listed on the exchanges of Injective. To conclude, for me, Injective is a very low-cap gem that can easily 100x on the next bull run. In 2023, experienced users will start using the DEX platform to trade. But we still need the centralized exchanges to onboard new users into the crypto world. Moreover, I'm bullish because this project is backed by Binance and Injective Labs are very talented to produce secure code.